Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zendesk support, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Zendesk support, start by navigating to the official Zendesk website. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, name, and password. Choose your team's name and select the specific product you want to use for support. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation message from Zendesk. Click on the link in the email to activate your account. Once activated, log in to your Zendesk account with your credentials. You will be directed to the dashboard, where you can begin setting up your support system. Navigate to the admin panel located in the sidebar. In the admin panel, start by customizing your branding under the account settings. Add your company logo, colors, and any other branding elements. Next, click on Channels to set up how customers can reach you. Choose from various support channels like email, chat, and social media. For email support, follow the prompts to set a dedicated support email address. If you want to enable chat, click on the chat option and follow the setup instructions. Next, configure your ticket fields to reflect the information you want to collect from your customers. You can add, remove, or modify fields as needed. Then, set up your triggers and automations to streamline your workflow. These will help manage tickets based on specific conditions you define. After that, visit the User Management section to add agents to your support team. Invite team members by entering their email addresses and assigning them roles. Once your team is set up, go to the Help Center to create your knowledge base. Add articles, FAQs, and guides to assist customers with common issues. Finally, run a test ticket to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Review and adjust settings as necessary to optimize your support experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.